Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss the topic calendar. So, in a calendar there are two types of years. First one is leap year and the second one is non-leap year, or you can say normal year. So as we know that in a leap year there are 366 days and in a normal year there are 365 days. So the next thing is that if I say there are 366 days in a leap year, then how many weeks are there? Both in leap year and in non-leap year as well. So what we need to do to calculate the number of weeks in a time span, so just divide the days, the number of days given to us, divide by 7 because it has 7 days in a week. So if I divide 366 by 7, so I can say that 7 5s are 35, 1 will be remainder, 16 is carry forwarded from here and then carried down, and then 7 2s are 14, so 2 is the remainder and 52 is the quotient. So I can say that there are 52 weeks and 2 days are remaining from the number of weeks. So 52 weeks plus 2 days. And if I talk about 365, so I can say that there will be the same calculation will be there. 7 5s are 35, 2 will be here, 1 will be remaining and 15, the 5 will be carried down, 7 2s are 14 and the remainder will be in this case 1 only. So I can say that in a non-leap year or in a normal year there are 52 weeks plus 1 day. Okay, fine. So now we are aware that in a normal year there are 52 weeks plus 1 day, and in a leap year there are 52 weeks and 2 days. Now one thing is very much important, that we are okay with 52 weeks, but what about these 2 days, or what about this 1 day? So these days are called odd days. क्या कहते हैं हम इन्हें? Odd days. So what does it mean if I say odd days? So if I get a definition to odd days, so I can say that the number of weeks which are the number of days which are excluded from the number of weeks, but not able to make a new week. How? If I talk about these 2 days, so these 2 days were excluded from these 52 weeks, or this 1 day was excluded from these 52 weeks, but neither these 2 days nor this 1 day individually can form a week. So we can say that in any time span, the number of days which are excluded from the number of weeks are called odd days. So a general question, suppose if I say that how many odd days will be there in a 100 days span, in a span of 100 days, how many odd days will be there? So what you need to do, just divide it by 7 and the remainder will be considered as odd days. I hope we are clear with this. So if I divide it, so we can simply calculate that 14 7s are 98, means 14 odd days will be 14 weeks will be there, and 2 odd days will be obtained from the span of 100 days. Clear? So why we are discussing this odd day? Because if I talk about this topic calendar, so entire topic is based on the term odd day. How? So let's understand it in a better way. Suppose I'm saying that today is Monday, so what will be the day after 8 days? So today is Monday, what will be the day after 8 days? So 8 days can be written as 1 week plus 1 day. 1 day means the odd day. Remember, the day which is excluded from this week. So we are having one odd day in the span of 8 days. So if we are going forward, means if I'm asking that what will be the day 8 days after, so just add this 1 into Monday and you will get the answer that Tuesday will be there. And if I had asked that what was the day 8 days before, so just subtract 1 from the Monday and you would have get the answer Sunday. So it depends upon whether we are going forward in the calendar or going backward in the calendar. Just find the number of odd days and add or subtract to the given day to find the correct answer. And let me just recall all these things. In a leap year, 366 days are there, 52 weeks, 2 odd days. Non-leap year, 365 days, 52 weeks and 1 odd day. If we need to find out that which day will be there after a certain time from Monday or from today or from tomorrow, means any given day after a certain time we need to find out the day. So just calculate the number of odd days. And how to calculate the number of odd days? Just find out the span of time, means how many days we are going ahead or backwards. Divide the number of days by 7. The remainder will be considered as odd days. So I hope you are clear with this, and in the further videos, in the further sessions, we'll understand all the remaining things from the calendar. Thank you.